the thing is, like, you're not being replaced at all. Like, it depends on the framework that we do. Like, you are being promoted. I've started doing some research for my thesis on like how AI impacts human cognition, particularly creative problem solving. So when you work around understanding how creativity works and how AI impacts that, there are a lot of opinions. um, whereas the studies weren't conclusive because it's still early stages and we need to do more meta-analysis to understand what's going on. Something that we did see was that kind of like AI has the capacity to help you liberate cognitive load, so like this mental space, so then you can explode and be even more creative. But that is when it's used in a correct way, in a correct framework. So it is also true that we have the kind of like the use it or lose it principle, which is like, well, I mean, it's kind of like self-explanatory. So if we just like over rely on the usage of AI, actually the figure is something about 40%. The people who overuse AI skip checking the information and completely trusting it, and that number has been increasing lately. So that is kind of like a little bit worrying as well. So the thing is, like, AI is the infrastructure, is kind of like the idea that I wanted to put here is kind of like electricity, it is for the internet. So who is the one directing it? Is it AI directing your work? Or are you like enemies with AI and it's just like, no, I just like gonna limit it at the maximum? Here's an example of a landing page that I deployed yesterday as an experiment. So I created a workflow. The workflow is quite simple, but I'll show you later the setup. I just prompt create a landing page for, and it was super random. I was just talking to someone, and that person said like, okay, we're like drinking this like sparkling water brand that is specifically from Spain. So what about like a landing page collaboration between this place and the sparkling water? And it's just like, okay, fine, that sounds good. So as a result of this, then you see like this like super like I mean it's kind of good. Let me see actually if I can probably change the screen that I'm sharing, so then you can see the whole thing here. There you go. Okay, so this took 5 minutes to build. It pulled real information from the story of the two brands that I was doing. It pulled like cool like photos from Pinterest as well. The whole like story. Of course, this is going to improve if you give it a little bit of a purpose. My prompt was very basic. Was like just create a landing page. That's it. Like nothing. So it's promoting the collaboration between the two brands. It has clear call to action, and the buttons work. Like all the links work. So if you go to like click, I don't know, like VG for example, then you're gonna have here direct redirection to the right pages. Also about like kind of like the the copies and the way that they are, like there are definitely some things of where the before visibility that can be improved, but the copies are quite decent. And this is kind of like one example of something that you can literally build in 5 minutes or so.